Start investing in the stock market and finally build real wealth. This video is for you. And stay until the end, because I'll share several financial hacks most beginners never hear. Strategies that can quietly accelerate your net worth without increasing your income. We're going to cover cash flow mastery and budgeting hacks, emergency fund strategies most people overlook, debt elimination and debt replacement strategies, how to open a brokerage account and Roth IRA the smart way, how to start investing in index funds and ETFs for beginners, behavioral hacks to stick to long-term investing, affiliate tools you can use right now to simplify every step. Everything mentioned in this video is linked below, so you can follow along step by step. Before we dive into tools and accounts, let's talk about what most beginners never hear. There are only 3 ways to build wealth. Increase income, increase your investment returns, increase your savings rate. And here's the secret most people overlook. Your savings rate matters more in the early years than your returns. For example, investing 20% of income at 7% returns can beat investing 5% at 10% returns over decades. Most people obsess over picking stocks or timing the market, but wealth is built through behavior, not brilliance, especially for beginners. Gem tip number 1. Start immediately. Every year you delay costs you thousands in potential growth due to compound interest. Waiting for the perfect time is a huge hidden wealth tax. This is your mental reset. Wealth is time plus consistency plus system, not luck. Before investing, you need control over your money. Track income, fixed expenses, rent, utilities, variable expenses, food, entertainment, debt payments. Gem tip number 2. Separate your spending identity from your wealth identity. Open 2 accounts, spending account to bills and lifestyle, wealth account to investments and savings. When you move money immediately into your wealth account, it's invisible. You won't accidentally spend it. Most beginners fail because all money sits in one account. This is a simple behavioral hack that creates automatic discipline. I have a budget template linked in the description below to categorize your finances. Tools like YNAB, Rocket Money, or a Notion budgeting template make tracking effortless. These apps categorize transactions, alert you to overspending, and help set monthly savings targets. Mini example. Imagine you spend $50 per week on subscriptions you forgot about. A budgeting app flags it immediately, giving you $200 per month more for investing. That's $2,400 per year redirected to wealth. Before investing, you must build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Gem tip number 3. Tier your emergency fund. Tier 1. 1 month of instant access cash for immediate emergencies. Tier 2. 2 to 5 months in a high-yield savings account, earning competitive interest. This ensures liquidity while earning passive income on cash you're not using. Most beginners keep all cash in one checking account, earning almost nothing. Tiered strategy maximizes safety and growth simultaneously. Affiliate suggestion: high-yield savings account. Beginner-friendly accounts like Ally, Marcus, or CIT Bank can give 10 to 50 times more interest than traditional banks. Mini example: $5,000 emergency fund earning 4% APY grows $200 per year just sitting safely. That's risk-free passive income most people ignore. Step 3. High-interest debt and replacement strategy. High-interest debt, 18 to 25% credit cards, is the wealth killer. Gem tip number 4. Pay debt and replace payments with investing. Instead of celebrating the disappearance of a $400 per month debt payment, Redirect it immediately into investments. Same cash flow, different destination, keeps momentum building. This simple habit silently compounds wealth faster than chasing the next hot stock. Affiliate suggestion: balance transfer/debt consolidation card. Tools like Chase Slate, City Simplicity, or personal loans with lower interest help reduce payments while you implement this strategy. Mini example: eliminating one credit card with $12,000 at 20%. APR saves $2,400 in interest in a year. If redirected to index funds, that's $2,400 times 30 years of compounding growth. Life-changing. Now we grow. Open a brokerage account or Roth IRA. Gem tip number 5. Tax placement matters more than stock picking. Roth IRA to tax-free growth, ideal for high-growth investments. Taxable account to long-term index funds held for decades. Where you invest can compound returns faster than chasing a hot stock. Affiliate suggestion: brokerage platforms. Vanguard, Fidelity, Schwab, all beginner-friendly with low fees. Many offer sign-up bonuses for funding. Mini example: funding $5,000 in a Roth IRA instead of a taxable account can save thousands in taxes over decades, effectively boosting returns. Invest in broad index funds like S&P 500. Gem tip number 6. Automate contribution increases. Whenever your income rises, increase your automatic contributions by 1 to 2%. Most beginners never do this. It quietly multiplies wealth over decades. Affiliate suggestion: robo-advisors or ETF platforms. Robo-advisors automatically manage diversification, rebalancing, and asset allocation, perfect for hands-off beginners. Mini example: automating $100 per month increase per raise over 10 years can grow your portfolio by $50,000 plus without extra effort. Gem tip number 7. Stop watching your portfolio. Weekly, checking daily leads to emotional decisions. Studies show infrequent monitoring improves long-term returns. Gem tip number 8. Build a future expense fund. Create a separate sinking fund for upcoming predictable expenses. Vacation, car repair, wedding, new apartment. Keeps emergency funds untouched, investments untouched, and system intact. Ask viewers: if you're serious about taking control of your finances, pause this video, check your bank app, and see how much you're actually saving versus spending. You might be shocked. Then come back and we'll talk about how to maximize every dollar. Gem tip number 9. Focus on increasing your investment rate, not just returns. Most beginners obsess over 8% versus 10% returns. The real lever: increase your savings rate. Gem tip number 10. Use behavioral commitment devices. Automate contributions. Use apps that lock investments for a period. Visible tracking of net worth. Behavior hacks reduce emotional mistakes. Audit spending and track cash flow. Build tiered emergency savings. Eliminate debt and redirect payments. Open brokerage or Roth IRA. Affiliate links below. Automate index fund contributions plus increases. Build a future expense fund. Automate net worth tracking. All tools are linked below for first-time viewers. Beginner-friendly, low-cost, and designed to simplify wealth building. Before we wrap up, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Some links may be affiliate links, meaning I may earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial professional before making investment decisions.